In this video, you can learn how to change login password of Namecheap hosting account. So let's begin the video process. Once we log into Namecheap account, we need to click the profile name in the top bar, and again click the dashboard from this menu. Next, we need to click Hosting List in the left side of the dashboard. And here, we need to click this button to enter Cpanel settings page. In Cpanel settings page, we need to click Password and Security option in Preferences section. And here, to change the password, we need to add the existing password in the first field. And in the next two fields, we need to add the new login password. If we want to create a system-generated password, we can use the Password Generator button. Once we click the Change Password button, we will be logged out. We need to add the new password and enter the hosting account again. And done, we are logged into Namecheap hosting with the new password. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.